Hello, everybody, and good afternoon. Now, I hope you're all having a good day. A special hello to our home learning heroes. We hope you're all okay at home. We're missing you. We're missing you so much. Our school just isn't the same without everybody in it. And we cannot wait to have every single child back in our school because it's just not the same without every single one of you back in our classrooms, back in our playgrounds, and we cannot wait for that to happen. Now, I thought in today's assembly I would do some talking about happiness because this lockdown, it can get a little bit tricky and it can get a little bit boring. And it's very, very easy for us to think about all the things that we can't do. We can't come to school. We can't see our friends. There's people in our family that we can't see. There's lots of places that we can't go. We can't go to our clubs and our activities. And if we're not careful, we can spend our days thinking about the things that we can't do. And what we need to do, children, part of being a home learning hero, part of being a school champion, is about thinking about the things that we can do, because that's how we can stay positive. That's how we can stay happy. So today is a lovely sunny day. So what can we do? We can go for a walk. We can go down to Litchett Bay. We can go to Upton Country Park. We can just go for a walk outside our house. We can feel the sun on our faces. We can hear the birds singing. We might even be able to see the moon still. We could go to the rec, kick a ball around, throw a ball about, just play games. We have got toys to play in our rooms. We've got people in our homes who love us and look after us. We've got things to eat. We've still got lots of things that we can do. Now, in our school, we've watched The Pig of Happiness. And I think it's a good time to watch The Pig of Happiness again, because he is very good at reminding us and telling us what we can do to keep happy. And the very simple thing is we can smile. Because if we smile, people are going to smile back at us. And that's going to make us feel better. It won't make us miss our family. It won't make us stop missing our family or friends. It won't make us stop thinking about the things that we can't do. But it will make us a little bit better. Like if we go for a walk in the sunshine, that will make us feel a little bit better. Now, what we'll do, children, is I'll just share my screen and we'll have a look at the Pig of Happiness. There he is.
The Pig of Happiness by Edward Monckton. Hello, I'm Edward Monckton. I wanted to make this film of my book, The Pig of Happiness, as a free project for anyone to view in order to try to increase, by however small an amount, the world's reserves of happiness. If it touches you, please let others know about it. Together, we can spread the love, quietly, gently, person by person. That's what the internet's good at, isn't it? I hope you enjoy it. There was once a pig. He was an ordinary pig in all ways. But one thing did set him apart. This thing was his distaste for the mumbling and grumbling that is the natural way with pigs. I know, thought the pig. I shall become an extraordinary pig. From now on, I shall stand for everything that is light and beautiful and true and wonderful. I shall see the best in everyone and the best in everything. I shall become the Pig of Happiness. so it did come to pass. The next day, when Pig A complained about the weather, raining again, always raining, the Pig of Happiness went dancing in the rain. The day after that, when Pig B was rude about Pig C's bottom and all the other pigs joined in, but, the Pig of Happiness gave Pig C a flower and said in front of all the other pigs that he thought Pig C had a beautiful bottom, actually. And so it continued daily. After a while, the Pig of Happiness became so happy with being happy that his happiness became too big. It had to find an escape. And so it was that it began to leak and seep from inside him into all the other pigs. Now, all the pigs are happy. And their happiness is beginning to show signs of leaking too. The sheep are laughing. Even the chickens are beginning to smile.
So let's think about what we've just seen. We saw the pig was just an ordinary pig until he decided that he was going to be the pig of happiness. When it started raining, he didn't stop it raining. He couldn't stop it raining. We can't do that. But he decided to dance in it. And that's like us at the moment. We can't stop the lockdown. But what we can do is we can change what we're going to do. The pig of happiness made sure that he was as nice as he could to everyone. He didn't join in when those pigs were unkind. He decided to spread happiness by being kind to the pig that was sad. He decided that if he smiled at everybody, his happiness would leak out and make other people smile until even the chickens were laughing. And that can't be easy. I know chickens. I've never made them laugh. So what we're going to do, children, what I'm going to do, and let's do this together, is that let's be happy and get our happiness to leak out. Even if we're not feeling it, even if we're just not feeling it today because it's lockdown. Let's put our smiles on and let's hope that our happiness can leak out and make everybody else happy as well. Right, the sun's shining. I'm going to go for a quick walk around the school to see the children being busy, and I'm going to go outside in the playground and get some sun on my face, because we can all do that. And that's going to make me happy. I'm going to bring my smile inside, and I'm going to see if I can make other people smile with my happiness leaking out. So let's do this together, children. Let's do this, everyone at home. Let's be like the pig of happiness, and let's share our happiness. Let's see if we can make even those chickens laugh. Right, everybody, stay safe. Lovely to talk to you. We missed you, home learning heroes, and hopefully we'll see you soon. Right, let's start spreading that happiness. Bye, everybody.